Welcome back. Many unemployed who had taken kiosks under Deen Dayal Swayam Rozgar Yojana scheme and horticulture outlets have sublet them to non-Goans on rent. Some kiosks are also used for illegal activities, whereas some are closed. Savia Dias reports.
Government schemes for unemployed youth and Goans have gone astray. Kiosks under Deen Dayal Swayam Rozgar Yojana and horticulture are not used to its purpose. They are sublet to non-Goans on rent. Have a look. Some are also used for illegal trade like madka, whereas some are closed. MD of Horticulture Corporation Levinson Martin said that they act upon complaints. He assured that the licenses of gadas will be revoked if found guilty.
आता अशी पळय आमकां खंय कंप्लेन येता ती आमी चॅक करता पयर सावड्डेच्यान येयल्ली आमी चॅक केले आनी ताका शोकॉज नोटीसूय इश्यू केला दोन गाड्यां भितर एक दुसरो मनीस मेळ्ळो आमकां सो आमी एक्शन घेतले घेवपाचे घेतले इट इज बेजिकली फॉर सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट आनीक तेजी पर्पज डिफीट जावपाक जायना.
However, when pointed out about illegal activities like madka business carried out on such outlets, he said that police should take necessary action.
Basically, it is the police who has to take action. Whether not only our gadas, it could be in some other gadas also, some other shops also. Legal activity, police has to act on that if it is there somewhere.
A reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dias.
And now news from sports. Goan contingent will be leaving for the athletics Inter-Zonal Nationals on Thursday. Goa's medal-winning prospects look bright, but the athletes will have to work hard. High hopes will be on gold medal-winning trio of Desiree Pereira, Tanvi and Kajal at the zonal championships. But the lack of decent basic facilities has not disheartened the athletes. To put things in perspective, javelin and shot-up gold medalist Kajal trains in uncut grass and thorns, while the shot put ring is flooded with water. Sports reporter Nikhil Pereira reports.
Athletes are not talking about a synthetic track, let alone a proper arena. Goan athletes are asking for the grass to be cut and the flooding of shot put sectors to be mopped out.
Actually in Goa, for me I'm a thrower, so it doesn't matter for me. The sectors or everywhere are same. It was okay. Actually West Zone is okay. Now Inter-Zone will be a little tougher for me, but I'll still try to win medal there.
I practice in Marga, so over there there's full grass. For javelin you need to run, all thorns are poking everything. Shot put sector, there's all water flooded there. So I just managed, and yeah, the competition level was good. There were competitors. Yeah.
So the facilities where you practice in Marga are not the best?
No, nothing was there.
Poor facilities or not, Desiree, Tanvi and Kajal are confident of medals at the Inter-Zonal Nationals.
Yeah, for me, like when I see them, they are so big, and I feel nervous sometimes. But still, I'll try to win gold there, and I want to cross 10, more than 10. That's all.
That's your target.
Yeah.
What about you?
Mine, I just want to cross 530, and I want to give 13 there. That's all, and 9 meters to cross of shot put.
Okay. And tell me your goals.
My goal for Inter-Zonal is gold. Yeah, for both the events. I've worked really hard, and I'm confident enough. I will win a gold this time.
Okay. We've seen you some time back. You were playing football for Xavier's. You won a gold there. Do you play a lot of sports, and post college are you going to pursue sports, or you're going to take up a job and forget sports?
No, I'm an all-rounder. I play for my college. I play all the games, but main I play athletics, and I'm into athletics. My aim, maybe I want to play for India, and then maybe a job.
Class 12 student of RMS HSS, Kajal is also a national handball player, whereas Tanvi is just in standard 8th. Along with Desiree, who will graduate this year, Kajal and Tanvi also want to represent India in the near future.
No, I'll continue.
Till what time?
After job also I'll continue. Sometimes I'll come on the ground and I'll do practice.
Even I'll be continuing. Now after Inter-Zonal, I'll be looking forward for Lusophobia games. And maybe after that, I don't know.
What about national games? Maybe the international?
Yeah, sure. If I win for national games, international is sure. Yeah, I would like to thank SAG, the association, all my managers, coaches, especially my coach, Audish Kumar, And of course, my parents for dropping me every day in the morning.
I want to thank ACG and association, my parents and my coach Bruna Vinikar.
I would like to thank my mother first because she always had an aim that I will win a gold. Thank my coach Sashi Kumar, who's in MAPSA. He works a lot for me.
With senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari, sports reporter Nikhil Pereira.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.